Hello everyone. Today you are going to be doing investigation 5.3. You're going to be looking at the physical characteristics of many different rocks to identify whether they are metamorphic, igneous, or sedimentary, however you pronounce it. So at your lab stations or however your teacher has it set up in your classroom, you're going to have a various amounts of different types of rocks. And just to show you what my lab station looks like, it looks kind of like this. So I have three different types of rocks here, and you can see that I have the rocks along with a card that tells you what kind of rock it is. And then I also have a couple other sheets here. Your teachers may have this or they may not, but it is just some helpful information. You don't need it for this lab, but just different information about the rock that you have at your station. It tells you what the composition or makeup of the rock is, and it tells you how that rock forms. So that's super helpful if you have that. And then another thing I have here as well is like just different physical properties of rocks that you can look at. So I'll just read this to you. You can look at the color of the rocks, the pattern. You can look at the texture of the rocks. You can look at the crystals. Are there crystals in the rock? You can look at the luster, which is also just like the light pigmentation. So is it like light reflecting off of the rock or not? How are the edges? Are they smooth? Are they rough? Is it dense? Is it not so dense? And just other characteristics as well. Are there fossils in that rocks or in those rocks? Are there other small rocks within that rock? And then you may also have magnifying glasses to see closer up to the rock. But what you'd really do for this lab is you go to each rock that you need to observe, look at the rock, make sure it matches the one at your station with the picture, and observe all those different physical characteristics. So the texture, is it smooth? Is it bumpy? Is it dense? I would say this one's dense. It's pretty heavy, and all those physical characteristics. And that is what you are doing for 5.3 lab. Have fun.